It's the head shed. It's round 2. It's got, when I done the main line, there's going to be more air in the back than there is in the front, I think. So I'm hoping that we don't need to, I'm hoping that we don't need to go too stupid. But right, okay, you ready? Put your foot on the pedal. Don't what happens. Okay. Right, the floor, yeah? Yeah. Right, up, down, up, down. Hold it down. That's what the annoying thing was we did a good job and it have 2 pipes leaking really badly. I mean, like leaking, just weeping. So what happened is the pedal this morning was going less and less and less and down more. So okay, hopefully this should be now.
Oh no.
Right, chopped up.
Yeah, so we're going to catch my
Right, okay.
Black Friday.
Next. Right, you ready? I can edit that. But you can't edit. So anything.
No, we're talking about
We're
fashion,
talking-
my fashion faux pas.
Right, go. Up. Not there.
You know that's not going in any bucket at all, that's just going on the floor, right?
Hold it down. Yeah, well, there's a lot of air coming through there because obviously the back was the pipe I've just redone. So, hopefully, I'm thinking of myself. Now, keep it held down because I'm going to go to the front. I've got to get something else first.
You know that literally just went all over the floor, right?
Yeah, I know where it went. Alright, that's me. Listen.
What a waste.
Where'd it go?
All over the floor.
Yeah, well, it's got a concrete floor and I've got a catchment tank. That's per, like, your regulation. So, what's that happened, you silly girl? We should together.
Well, I know.
But I'm allowed to say what I want because it's my video and I'll cry if I want to. That's what they say. It's my video and I'll cry if I want to. Right, you're down, yeah? Right, you ready? Yeah. Okay. So, up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Hold it down. I'll tell you, these bleed nipples are really bad. They're not very nice. The bleed nipples are really, really bad. You know, I mean, like, the bleed nipples are like, almost rounded off these stupid 8 mils. You held down, yeah? Yeah. Right, okay, ready? So, let it up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Okay, right. Okay. Right. I know you're there. Right now, I'm coming over there to you. So remember, so what happens? It squirts out. And it came as a big shock when it squirted out you that stuff. You ready? Right. So miss it. Where's the 8 mil gone? Somewhere between there and here, I lost the 8 mil. Right. Okay. You held down, yeah? Yeah. Right. You let it up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Hold it down. These nipples are really not very nice. They're not nice. They're really not good. Right, you ready? Okay, next, this is the last one. Right, ready? You're down, yeah? Yeah. Right, let it up. let it down. Up, down. Hold it down. Right, now. You're topped up, yeah.
Chopped up.
A bit more. Where's the sticky? Oh, there. Right, try it now. See what happens. Any brakes?
Yeah.
Well, good.
Yeah.
Pump it up.
Pump out is solid.
Solid.
Don't you know, pump it up.
Pump
Got to
it
pump
up,
it up. Don't you know, pump it up. Got to pump it up.
It's great. It's not soggy down.
It's consistent, it's solid, there's no fade on it.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you lead brakes on Edshed.
Is that what you said?
No.
Well, get over there and tell them. Tell them what they're supposed to do. Is you get a team together.
You get a team of 3. One person who knows what they're doing, another person who knows relatively what they're doing, and a complete novice.
Yeah. And you know what we got?
A team of
We've
leading
now
the
got
brakes.
brakes. Okay.
Brake
So thank you guys. Thank you for
Where's
that.
the bin,
And
though?
I'd just like to say for my.
Let's hope we have to do that again.
I'd just like to say that's the second time. So that's second time. That's 1, 2, finish. Talk to you soon, guys. Hope you get this. Bye.